Capture every moment instantly with the best digital camera with Wi-Fi, where memories meet convenience and creativity comes alive. Every shot tells a story, every scene becomes unforgettable, and every emotion is preserved in stunning clarity. Share your adventures effortlessly and feel the joy of connecting with your world through photography. Let your passion for capturing life's special moments shine, turning ordinary experiences into lasting memories that inspire, move, and bring your vision to life in ways that words cannot. Number 1. 4K digital camera with Wi-Fi and app control. Bring every moment to life with the 4K digital camera with Wi-Fi and app control. 72-megapixel autofocus vlogging camera with touchscreen dual lenses, beauty mode, 18x zoom, 64GB SD card, 3000 mAh battery. Designed to make every memory vivid and unforgettable. Each photo and video flows with clarity, capturing emotions and stories that inspire and connect. Whether exploring new destinations, creating content for social media, or enjoying spontaneous adventures, the camera turns ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. The dual lenses and zoom let you capture both grand landscapes and subtle details, making each shot more immersive. The intuitive touchscreen and app control provide seamless interaction, keeping your creativity effortless and free. With long-lasting energy and ample storage, you can capture everything without interruption, preserving your journey from start to finish. The 4K digital camera with Wi-Fi and app control empowers beginners, teens, and travel vloggers to create professional quality content, share memories instantly, and express their vision with emotion, precision, and style. Number 2. FLATIC digital camera. 5K 75MP cameras for photography. Capture every adventure in stunning detail with the FLATIC digital camera. 5000 resolution 75-megapixel cameras for photography with Wi-Fi. 64GB TF card autofocus vlogging camera for YouTube with 180-degree flip screen compact vlog travel camera kit for beginner teens. Pink. Designed to turn ordinary moments into unforgettable memories. Each frame comes alive with clarity, color, and emotion, making every photo and video feel personal and inspiring. Whether exploring new cities, documenting daily life, or sharing content online, the camera empowers creativity and storytelling in a simple, enjoyable way. The flip screen allows effortless framing, while the compact design makes it easy to carry everywhere, capturing spontaneous moments without limits. Long-lasting performance and ample storage ensure every experience is preserved from start to finish. The FLATIC digital camera transforms photography and vlogging into a journey of expression, letting beginners and teens alike explore their passion, share their vision, and create content that moves, inspires, and connects with every viewer. Number 3. Digital camera with Wi-Fi. 5K 64MP cameras for photography. Bring your creative vision to life with the FLATIC digital camera with Wi-Fi. 5000 resolution 64-megapixel cameras for photography with 180-degree flip screen for YouTube. 18x zoom autofocus vlogging camera with 64GB card wide and macro lens, 2 batteries, card reader. Designed to turn every moment into a vivid memory. Each photo and video bursts with clarity and emotion, making ordinary scenes feel extraordinary. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes, spontaneous adventures, or content for YouTube, this camera empowers you to express your unique perspective. The flip screen makes framing effortless, while the zoom and dual lenses allow you to explore details and wide views with ease. Compact and portable, it travels wherever your inspiration leads, ensuring no moment is missed. With long-lasting power and extra storage, your creativity flows uninterrupted, letting you focus on capturing life as it happens. The FLATIC digital camera with Wi-Fi transforms every shot into a personal masterpiece, turning ordinary experiences into unforgettable stories that resonate with emotion and passion. Number 4. FLATIC cameras for photography. Transform every moment into a story with the FLATIC cameras for photography. 6000 resolution 64 megapixel digital camera with Wi-Fi and microphone for YouTube. A 16x zoom vlogging camera with 180-degree flip screen. 64GB car. 2 batteries. Macro and wide-angle lens. Card reader. Designed to capture life with stunning clarity and emotion. Each frame tells a story, bringing depth, color, and detail to every shot. Whether you are exploring new destinations, documenting personal adventures, or creating engaging content for YouTube, this camera allows your creativity to flow freely. The flip screen and dual lenses give you the freedom to frame both wide landscapes and intricate close-ups with ease, while the powerful zoom brings distant scenes to life. Compact and portable, it travels effortlessly, ensuring no moment goes unnoticed. With long-lasting batteries and ample storage, every memory is preserved. The FLATIC cameras for photography. Digital camera turns ordinary experiences into cinematic stories, letting beginners and content creators express their vision with emotion, precision, and style. Number 5. 4K digital camera for photography. Autofocus. Capture every moment with precision and emotion using the 4K digital camera for photography. Autofocus 2024 latest 48 megapixel vlogging camera for YouTube with SD card. 2 batteries. 3-inch 180-degree flip screen. Compact travel camera for teens with 16x zoom. Anti-shake black. Designed to turn ordinary experiences into unforgettable memories. Each shot reflects clarity, color, and depth, making every scene feel alive and personal. Whether exploring new destinations, creating content for YouTube, or enjoying spontaneous adventures, the camera empowers teens to express their vision effortlessly. The flip screen allows perfect framing, while the anti-shake and powerful zoom capture every detail with smoothness and precision. Compact and lightweight, it travels easily, inspiring creativity wherever you go. Long-lasting batteries and ample storage ensure every memory is preserved without interruption. The 4K digital camera for photography. Autofocus vlogging camera transforms photography and vlogging into a journey of self-expression, creativity, and emotion, allowing young creators to share their world with clarity, style, and passion in every frame they capture.